This is your mouth. These are your lips. This is your mouth. And inside is your tongue. This is your tongue. So it's cleans in the nose. This is your mouth. These are your lips. And this is your tongue. And this is your chin. This is your chin. This is your nose. These are your nose holes. Your nostrils. And this is your gorgeous face. And this is your head. These are your curls in your hair. This is your spine. Yeah. And these are your nipples. This is your chest. And this is your tummy. This is your belly. My beautiful belly. Soft, soft belly. And this is your neck. These are your shoulders. This is your neck. This is your neck. This is your neck. These are your shoulders. This is your back. This is your back, back, back. And your spine here inside. And these are your ears. One ear, two ears. One ear, two ears. Gorgeous, gorgeous hair with all the curls inside. Just keep